How's it going? Armando here, back with another edition in our Try Something New series. Today I'm making muffins again, very similar to the last recipe with the blueberry muffins, but this time I'm going to make chocolate chip muffins. High protein, lower calorie. Let's get baking. 400 grams of the Kodiak Chocolate hot cakes mix. 20 grams of the Jello pudding mix. 75 grams of the chocolate protein powder. Gonna whisk these dry ingredients all together so they're nice and evenly incorporated. All right, now I'm gonna add my wet ingredients, starting with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, half a cup of egg whites, 120 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 30 grams of Carrie's sugar-free syrup. I'm now gonna whisk this all together until it becomes my muffin batter. And there is our muffin batter. Now let's try to spread this evenly into 12 muffins. Now I'm gonna spread the chocolate chips about 5 to the top of each muffin. Let's bake these in the oven, 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. Woo! Look at them muffins! Oh, they look delicious. Let's taste them with Christina! All right, let's try these chocolate muffins, and then I'll go over the macros. Cheers. Like the blueberry muffins, they're on the drier side, but the flavor is really good.
The flavor is good.
So,
I think with coffee.
Coffee,
Milk.
yeah. Coffee, yeah, milk would be great. I'm gonna try some of this Carrie's syrup. I'm just curious. Chocolate chip pancakes, no. Double chocolate pancakes.
I want to try that.
Good. These are yummy. So the macros for this, estimated per muffin, about 187 calories with 4.3 grams of fat, 26 grams of carbs, and 14.4 grams of protein. These are not gonna last long. I'm gonna have a couple of these right now.
Yeah, I'll have another one. That's so good. Thank you.
This is successful. Try something new. Bye guys.